Hello, and welcome back to our FAQ series about manufacturing in Mexico. Today, we're answering the question, what are the benefits of the automotive manufacturing industry in Mexico? First, let's discuss Mexico's economic competitiveness. Automotive manufacturers in Mexico can benefit from the cost advantages of competitive labor and production costs without compromising on quality. The workforce is diligent and highly skilled, resulting in an impressive quality of output. Secondly, the geographic advantage of Mexico cannot be overstated. Its strategic location offers direct and efficient access to the vast North American markets. Coupled with well-developed logistics and transportation networks, it facilitates a streamlined supply chain, reduces delivery times, and ensures timely market access. Mexico's workforce is a strong asset for automotive manufacturing. The country's young population, with a median age of around 29, views manufacturing as a valuable career path. Many universities and technical institutes offer programs focused on automotive engineering and manufacturing, ensuring a continuous supply of skilled professionals in the industry. A unique feature of Mexico's automotive sector is the formation of robust industry clusters. In strategic regions like Baja California, Sonora, Chihuahua, Coahuila, Nuevo León, and San Luis Potosi, manufacturers find themselves in a vibrant ecosystem of OEMs, Tier 1 and Tier 2 suppliers. Baja California, known for its dynamic industrial sector with a special focus on automotive electronics. Sonora, home to Ford, Sonora plays a crucial role in the manufacturing of a variety of vehicles and components. Chihuahua, this region is recognized for its robust supply chains, serving several major automotive companies with a wide range of components. Coahuila, often referred to as the Detroit of Mexico, Coahuila has a strong automotive manufacturing heritage, hosting assembly plants for several leading global automakers. Nuevo León, recently spotlighted by Tesla's major expansion, this state is a center for advanced manufacturing and innovation, attracting auto parts manufacturers and high-tech companies. San Luis Potosi, with a blend of luxury and commercial vehicle production, this region is a growing automotive manufacturing hub. While these advantages make Mexico an attractive location for automotive manufacturing, entering a new market may seem daunting. That's where Tedakawi comes in. As a shelter services provider, we can help you navigate the complexities of setting up and running your automotive manufacturing operations in Mexico. From cost competitiveness and a dynamic, skilled workforce to the strategic location and strong industry clusters, Mexico offers a wealth of advantages for automotive manufacturers. Stay tuned for more videos in our FAQ series, where we'll delve deeper into the various facets of manufacturing in Mexico. Until next time.